This is day 2 of this Re-upholstery chair, and I already finished take out a lot of these nails, and I remove as much as, but of course you want to leave it as clean as possible. Ensure everything is looking good spring wise underneath. Make sure nothing is loose. And I'm actually going to paint the legs. That's the next step. As you can see, they're pretty worn out, and we're gonna, there you go, we're gonna create a black finish. It's gonna go beautiful with the new fabric that my client chose. So that's what I'm gonna continue doing today. So we're just gonna leave this one here. We're gonna leave this cloth, and I fixed some of the springs already, and continue working. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sand the legs before I paint them. Watch out, a lot of these tuck pins on my floor here. Before painting, this will make the paint bond to the wood. The preparation takes quite a bit of time. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe it down. Now I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna put a first coat of this one. It's a flat black, and then I go over in a different black with a different sheen. So shake it up. Oh, I think you missed all of that. So I'm kind of building this cushion as I go. What I did, I light a foam, I push it down, and I cut around it. I'm still working on it. Building this cushion as I go. And I'm using this, I'm using a carving knife. Alright, so this is what I got done for today. The foam is there. I'm not worried about being perfect because I'm gonna put another layer of Decron. I'm gonna put another layer of Decron on the last but not least batting, and then the fabric, so it's gonna be really nice, really nice. And here it's kind of resisting a little bit to stay down. Again, I'm not worried about, I rather see it like that. That means it's slightly bigger, but I rather see it bigger than smaller. So once you put all the layers, it's gonna go down. I might even set it down with some glue, but for now I'm happy with what I see so far. So I'll see you the next day. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put another layer of paint or spray paint on those legs, and I'll see you the next day.